joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm doing a collaboration which I'm super excited about with 5 amazing artists. So we're doing video premieres, and so our paintings that we create today, we are going to auction them off on a Facebook group page called Artists Take a Stand Against Domestic Violence. I'm sorry, I just literally went blank. So if you want to look into hopefully helping us raise some money for this really good cause, I would appreciate it. Like I said, it'll be 6 pieces of art that we're going to auction off. Everybody's premiere is today. The auction starts tomorrow, the 29th. So from the 29th to December 5th. The December 5th will be the last day for bidding. So I don't know if we technically needed to go that long or not, but I just figured it would give everybody a chance to hopefully make some money. We have 2 shelters that we are donating to. One, I don't know the name. I can't pronounce it. I don't speak French. Sorry, I'm MANON. But it is a shelter in Canada. Everything is in French. But the link will be in the description. And MANON is, her premiere is right after mine. And she can kind of give you more information on that shelter. Is just one that's near and dear to her. And it's in Canada. So the other one is Voices of Hope. It's a charity that's here in Lincoln, Nebraska, where I am. They do a lot to help women, families that are go through domestic violence, like to help them get sheltered, or personal items that they definitely need to do or get out of the house, to get out. Because sometimes when you leave a situation, you don't get to take anything. You kind of just go. And so they're an amazing shelter here in Lincoln. If you decide you don't want to bid on any of the art pieces, you can definitely go to each one of the shelters website, and you can donate money if you want to do it that way as well. I personally have been through this. Let's just say it was bad. And so this is why domestic violence, taking a stand against this, is really important to me. So this cause is really, I don't know, I don't want to cry, but I just know how important it is for women and men to have to get out of a situation. And when you leave, sometimes you have to leave and you just can't take anything with you. You don't have nowhere to go, whatever the situation may be. And so these type of shelters are so helpful to people, because sometimes people stay in bad situations because they don't have nowhere else to go, or I mean, there's just so many things that reasons that people stay in with these shelters that help women or men be able to get out of a bad situation. So it's really important to me that so I just hope we can raise some money for these guys today, because I know with the holidays coming up, money for them is even a little bit tighter, because they do have families and children and stuff. And not only helping them take care of themselves personally, like with the children, it's kind of nice to have a little extra to donate for Christmas gifts. So with that being said, I will put a link to both websites, both shelters, in my description. I don't want to make this too terribly long. And Voices of Hope is mine. And then, like I said, I can't pronounce MANON's, but she's next, and she will definitely tell you exactly all about it. But the link to her shelter will also be in my description, as well as all the other ladies. And in my description, we'll have the times of everybody that's doing theirs today, and also a link to each person's channel. So then that way, if you want to go watch their videos, then I'll also have a link in there for the Facebook group if you want to participate in the auction. Like I said, the auction goes from November 29th, tomorrow, to next Sunday, the December 5th. Can't believe it's December already. So yeah. I hope everybody enjoys everybody's premiere. I'm super excited about seeing everybody's piece. We kind of just had two basic things we had to follow. We had to use a deep purple, which is the color of the ribbon for domestic violence. And then of course I had to get in that metallic gold because you know I like my shimmer. And then everybody could use 4 other colors of their choice. And then their base color too. It doesn't count as one of the other 4. Any size canvas, any technique they want to do. I just wanted to make it simple, but just so we can all do our best job and make some money for these shelters. It's really important to me. So everything will be in the description. So we have Moose from Moose Crazy's Flowing Canvas. I hope I said that right, Moose. Amy with Amy's Creative Acrylics. And Amy Moss from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Rose from Rose M Creations. Manon from Manon Petite Art. And Sparkle from Art by Sparkle. So there's 6 of us all together. Our videos are only going to be less than, no more than 15 minutes at the very most, but a little less if possible. And then, yeah, so I hope everybody enjoys this collaboration and show everybody some love. Just say hi, like and subscribe if you would. And yeah, hopefully you'll come to the Facebook group and check out and participate in the auction and help us raise some money for these amazing shelters. That being said, let's get to painting. Love you guys. Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a pour. This is on a 16 by 20 inch Artist Loft canvas. I am going to use sorry, white for my base, Decoart's metallic 24 karat gold, SoHo's Dioxazine violet hue. I am using Aunties metallic amethyst, Decoart's dazzling metallic peacock pearl, Blinkrylic's fluorescent violet, and Blinkrylic's fluorescent magenta. Now, I am affiliated with Blick, so if you need any supplies, Black Friday's coming up. I'll have a link in the description for them. I'm also affiliated with Arteza. If they have some really good sales going on for Black Friday as well. I will have a link in the description for them as well. I also am now affiliated with the KS Resin. I have a link in the description for that as well, and that you can get a percentage off of. I'm also affiliated with BB Crafts, and yeah, but all the links will be in the description. So if you need anything, it's no cost to you to use my link. It just helps out my channel, and I appreciate all of your guys' help supporting my channel as you do with your comments, just watching everything. Your comments mean the world to me. I'm doing this collaboration with 5 other amazing artists for domestic violence. Artists take a stand against domestic violence. We have 2 shelters that we're donating the proceeds to. So we're doing the collaboration today. We're having an auction that starts tomorrow on November 29th all the way through December 5th. It'll be on the Facebook group, Artists Take a Stand Against Domestic Violence. The link will be in the description as well for that. If you want to check out all the ladies, I'm really happy with this piece. I cannot wait to get it dry and resin it. It's going to be gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I'm super happy about this. Yeah, but I do thank everybody. I thank you, girls. I don't want to get into it because I know I already did in the intro. But this means a lot to me, ladies. You guys are amazing. I consider you guys to be my friend, and a very good friend at that. Most of you, I mean, all of you are good friends. But when I wanted to do this collaboration, they were all I'm excited to participate in it, and I am very touched and honored that you guys would do this with me, and I appreciate you ladies so much. Now, hopefully we can make some money for these 2 charities. Let's keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully we have a successful auction. But with that being said, I will have a link in the description for all of the ladies' channels, their times, the order that we're all going in. MANON is next. And yeah, I hope you guys check everybody out, show them some love and support, like and subscribe, and all that fun jazz that I always ask you to do. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm going to bring it on for a close-up. I will make this short and sweet because I know I kind of rambled on a little long, but just look at them colors. Sorry about the glare from the light on the ceiling. And look at all that shimmer, shimmer. I wish Jade was here so she could help tell me what she sees in here, because I'm sure there's a mermaid somewhere in here. Jade, if you're watching, you'll have to let me know where you see the mermaid. But look at just how pretty those colors are. And those cells and the lacing. And oh, it's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Love it. Love, love, love it. But I thank you guys all so much for watching. Please go and check out everybody's videos today, their collaboration, their paintings. They've all are amazing artists, and I appreciate every single one of them. And I appreciate you guys watching. And yeah, have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative.